Zipping across the globe to the UK first of all, websites. This is from London. Websites such as Facebook and Twitter will receive greater protection from lawsuits as they identify internet trolls accused of defaming others under a bill being debated in Britain's House of Commons on Tuesday. Ooh. Reportedly, billy goats are relieved by these creatures getting their just desserts, as bridge crossings have been quite difficult for them. Let's go to France. A plan to build the world's biggest, most powerful optical telescope able to scour the heavens for planets that could sustain life has cleared an important hurdle, the European Southern Observatory, or ESO, said. 2/3 of ESO's governing council approved the so-called European Extremely Large Telescope, or
clever.
EELT, which opens the way to starting work on the project. It's very imaginative, isn't it, calling it that one?
Yeah.
The Extremely Large Telescope. Rumour has it, though, Australia was going to build one and call it the Big Planet Looky Bastard. Right here in Australia at the moment. Last night, Lara Bingle's new show, Being Lara Bingle, was on Southern Cross 10. You caught it, Kim.
I actually quite liked it.
Yeah. Look, a lot of people are asking the question, what does her ex-fiancé, cricketer Michael Clarke, think after watching the show?
I've had to do a fair bit of rehab.
Yeah, that's fair call. Clarke said it was difficult when he and Bingle first broke up, but he did adapt his lifestyle.
A little bit stiff, but I'll get in there and see Alex. I'm sure he'll fix me once again.
Oh, wow.
You could imagine.
This is how rumours start, Mac.